Hello, before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Sure-footed both on and off the road. Already the base version of the new GLS offers the newly developed Airmatic air suspension system with adaptive damping system plus. A special highlight is the optional E-active body control suspension, which is based on a 48 volts onboard power supply and represents an innovation in suspension engineering with the highest standard. The braking systems for the new GLS have also undergone an evolutionary improvement and are far more powerful. Wheels with diameters of up to 23 inches for the AMG line are yet another new suspension feature in the Mercedes-Benz range. Front and rear axle are designed for tough off-road stresses, with both being attached to a subframe and therefore doubly isolated from the vehicle body. The mounts of the steering arms and axle beams are larger than in the previous generation. In concert with the more rigid force transmission points for the wheel reacting forces, this enhances smoothness and ride comfort. The front wheel suspension is a double wishbone suspension with the upper wishbone in a high position, which benefits spring travel when driving off-road. All transverse control arms and the steering knuckles are weight-optimized forged aluminium components whose light weight and rigidity provide ideal conditions for low rolling noises. The new design of the front axle ensures separate introduction of longitudinal and lateral forces, which benefits both the vehicle dynamics and suspension comfort. The 4-link rear suspension adopts the concept of the preceding version, but has been further advanced with respect to weight, handling dynamics and vibration comfort. Its control arms are also mostly of aluminium. Wheel control is by a cast aluminium lower wishbone and a forged aluminium upper strut rod, as well as an upper camber strut of sheet steel. The top-of-the-range engine of the new Mercedes-Benz GLS is the GLS 580 4MATIC, a new electrified V8 petrol engine with a displacement of 4 liters, 48-volt onboard electrical system and integrated starter generator. ISG is responsible for hybrid functions such as EQ boost or energy recovery, while allowing fuel savings that were previously reserved for high-voltage hybrid technology. The development focused on the long-term improvement of the consumption and emissions figures. At the same time, the displacement was to be reduced to adapt to the tax legislation in important target markets, while fulfilling the customer's expectations on performance. As a result, the engine produces an output of 489 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. An additional 250 Nm of torque and 22 horsepower output are available temporarily via EQ boost. The new twin-turbo is one of the most economical V8 petrol engines in the world. The special features of the V8 include cylinder shut-off under partial load. The variable valve control system Camtronic deactivates 4 cylinders at once. This reduces the gas exchange losses while improving the overall efficiency of the remaining 4 cylinders in combustion mode by shifting the operating point towards higher loads. In the new GLS, the latest generation of driving assistance systems from Mercedes-Benz ensures safe and relaxed driving. Some intelligent drive functions, such as active stop and go assist, are also without parallel beyond the SUV segment. The new GLS comes as standard with fully variable all-wheel drive with torque on demand. This makes it even more agile and safe on the road. The optional off-road package adds a low-range off-road gear ratio. In addition, the E-Active body control controls the ground clearance individually at all wheels. This makes the GLS more off-road capable than ever. The off-road score in MBUX allows the driver to make the best of these possibilities. In all variants of the new GLS, power is transmitted by the 9G-tronic automatic transmission. The broad ratio spread of gears 1 to 9 allows a clearly perceptible reduction in engine speed and is a decisive factor behind the high level of energy efficiency and ride comfort. A transfer case with electronically controlled multi-plate clutch is likewise fitted as standard. This allows a variable transfer of drive torque from 0 to 100% torque on demand between the axles. Available as an option is a transfer case specially designed for superior off-road driving characteristics. In addition to the controlled multi-plate clutch with torque-on-demand function, it also features a reduction gear for off-road driving. In concert with the capabilities of the E-Active body control suspension optimized for off-road use, the new GLS reaches a superior level of off-road capability.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
I'd like to go to Salt Lake City.
I am starting route guidance to Salt Lake City. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.